Happy Black Friday everyone. Today we are going to make a really special cocktail for Black Friday. It's called the Mulberry Gin Fizz. So let's get started. So first we are going to need some sugar. So I have some Demerara sugar here. So I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of Demerara sugar. Then we're going to need some mulberries. So around 4 to 6 mulberries. Then we are going to need some lime juice, so 22 ml of lime juice. That's 22 ml of lime juice. Now we need to muddle this, so I have a muddler here, so I'm going to muddle this. So I'm going to muddle this till the mulberries are really crushed and there's a black colored drink in your mixing glass. Now we need some gin, so I'm going to pour in 60 ml of gin. So that's 60 ml gin. Now we need to muddle it a little bit more so that the gin is mixed with the flavor of mulberry. I'm going to add some ice to a glass here and mix to drink using my bar spoon. I'm going to mix this till it's nice and cold. Now we have to serve this glass. So before serving I need a lime wheel. So I'm going to add this lime wheel to the bottom of the glass here. Then I'm going to add 4 mulberries to the glass. Now we need to add some ice to the glass. I'm going to add some crushed ice. Now we're going to strain our drink in this glass. And I need to top it up with some soda. And that's it. That's a Mulberry Gin Fizz. Let's try this. It's a really awesome drink. Cheers.